because this part is important. Why not you guys write the user story for the whole portal? How many user story you can write?
For the whole TS4 portal?
No, like as many as possible. Because do go with the reverse engineering. Reverse means something you see, now you are just writing the user story. Do you want me to tell
like that thing is always exist, but we're trying to.
No, because you are, see if you can write the user story for this first.
No, this will be like 100+ user stories if you ask me.
Now you are getting now you're understanding, now you're answering. There is so many users. No, you don't need to write all. I'm just saying.
No, I'm just saying, like, when I'm doing it, I'm probably gonna write everything that I see.
Correct. Do you know why? Then you can actually, the more you will break it down, the more you can actually speak, the more you can be precise, the more you can talk to the development team, means the developer QA. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So let's do the reverse engineering. I gave you guys too much challenge in 1 week. I do not want to.
I mean, it was fun working on it. It wasn't much of a challenge, except that we got it wrong. But come up with a lot
Well,
of
that's the part of it. Like we'll do it, we'll get it wrong. Just the learning part of it, you know.
Exactly. No, I wanted to do the wrong. Exactly. So now I gave you the new feature. You guys tried. How about now do the reverse engineering? Okay. We have the feature. I will be writing the user story. Because this feature, these functionalities exist, right?
Yes.
It's an example. Say this is not exist. It's an example for the sake of argument. This is not exist. So what do you say? As a students, I want to be able to see the diagram once I log in. This diagram will be under my program on the top corner, correct?
Mm-hmm. Top left corner.
Yeah. Now, given prerequisite will be you should be able to sign up a program and approve a program. Am I correct?
Yes.
You should be able to enroll a program and you have to be approved in that program. That's your enabler. That's your dependency or enabler. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's start the acceptance criteria. Given you logged in to the yes portal with username and password, given you are on the my program, right? And given you will be clicking on the diagram button or the diagram button, and then there will be a filtering what diagram you want to select. Once then you will be clicking the search, and then by that related the filtering, the diagram will be displaying. That's your acceptance criteria. Are you good?
Yes.
Let's look at it. I logged in. I came in my program. Given I clicked on the diagram, then I will be clicking the category, which I said the filtering. Then I will be selecting a filtering, and then I will be the search bar. Then I will be seeing. Then I should see the filter related to that selection. I click the view, and I will be seeing the diagram. Right there, is it a story like this?
Okay.
So then you do not need to worry about the thinking first. First, write the user story, what we have. Then see your brain is opening or not.
Are you going to do the same project or create a new project?
Create the new project.
Okay.
Good. And then all you have to say it. Once it's done, you go finish or you go back. There will be two buttons. Yeah. In the front end. And you can say, as a given from the front end, you can say the front end point of views. You see this? But where this is coming from? Who is giving this? There is an admin panel. That will be writing the admin panel as well for this. But for now, focus on this. Whatever is you write down as many user story as possible. Your brain will be super like the powerful that you can. Looking at this, you can write the user story. That's the most important things.
So now we're going to write the user stories under the feature.
Yes, always. Yes, always create a feature. Right?
Under that, we're going to list all of our user stories. And then under that, we then break down the user stories. Like,
Yes.
mhm.
Yes. My program can be an epic, correct? Because my program
Yeah.
has so many things. My program will be epic. This
Def, my progress.
background can be a feature. Why? Because there's things need to be done on the user end, things need to be done on the admin end, things need to be done on the API in the back end. Correct?
Yes.
So it is a feature. Make sense?
Mhm.
Let me show you in the admin what is going on in the admin.
But that's where you track all this thing, the who's logged in and stuff.
Yep. See this?
Mhm.
See? Diagram, you see it? So that's the admin panel is different. You see that?
Yes.
So the different UI is different. Look at this. Enter title.
Create the admin panel too.
No, don't worry for now. I'm just showing you so you're learning more deep. Okay, you're learning. Okay, well, should you should have asked where this is coming from, right? You should have asked
Yes.
where is actually this is coming from. Actually, this is coming from
Admin panel.
admin panel, right? So now
Mhm.
you can, how the admin panel and the user panel connection is. You should ask this question, right?
Yes.
That's the
Yes.
API. That's the backend.
Also, like just the backend engineer. I mean,
No,
just
this
the
is the
backend.
admin panel. No, yeah, and everything is connected with the backend.
Yeah. So like the backends, all the work for backend is coming. I mean, admin panel is coming from backend.
User panel is coming from the backend too. Everything is
Mhm.
controlled from the API in the backend. Yes.
Mhm.
And then the front end is doing the design for the website.
This is also front end. Yeah, front end is just implementing the API and the designing. You're right. Correct. The front end is a design, right? It's a design, isn't it? Like the attachment, button, this and that. Correct. But
Yes.
in the scene, there is a API for this. So when you click it, actually you are actually accepting. You are actually consuming a backend API. And then once you did it, and then actually it goes to here on this, user can see. So how it works, look at this. I can select a specific category, or I can create a new category, and then I can select a specific program. Look at this, multiple program I can select, and then I can select a specific session, multiple session. You see this, how the design, how important design is. I can see active or inactive. If I do active, it will be shown there. If I do not, I can actually specific user as well. Not only the program and session, I can actually pick a user. He will be seeing this as well. How cool is that?
Mhm.
How robust is that?
So this is for like all your thing, like operation team, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Admin panel is the operation team. Yeah. I did not want to, but you are just, I open your brain just now. I
No,
just
no. Yeah,
brain
we
to do
learned
this.
something more.
Exactly. So once you see this, how this works. So if you write the user story, you can do a lot of things. My important links, you see this? How this is coming from? How?
From admin panel.
Yeah. So there is a, yeah. So why this is important? So that as a user can see some of the important information right away. So that it will be actually good user experience, correct?
Yes.
I don't need to call me, what is the desktop app? I just create a new feature. In this feature, I am providing all the important link or the app information so that as a user can download and install it. Good?
We are good now on that part. Back to soon.
My purchase items, that's the same thing. You can actually purchase item from the website. How? This platform is very big. If you guys want to work on this platform just to do this, you will be the most powerful, like the product owner in the world. Let's go see.
Learnings.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, that's the new course.
you just started that thing, that
Yeah.
program recently.
yeah, it is. So there is a like admin panel. There is a course I created. Look at this. Go to course. Let me go this. I have to buy a course first. Go back. Prepare job profile. Buy now. You see this? When I buy now, it will go to the user panel. Once I pay now, then the operator